In the beginning, there was chaos, a formless void that preceded everything. From chaos emerged two powerful entities, Gaia, the earth, and Uranus, the sky. Uranus became the mate of Gaia, and together, they birthed a new generation of gods and goddesses, including the famous Titan Cronus. However, Uranus feared his offspring's power and kept them locked deep within Gaia's embrace. Determined to free her children, Gaia forged a plan. She created a weapon, a scythe made from the hardest material. And it was her youngest son, Cronus, who bravely wielded it, overthrowing Uranus and freeing his siblings. With Uranus defeated, Cronus ascended to power as the ruler of the Titans. But the cycle of power continued as a prophecy foretold that one of Cronus' own children would overthrow him. Fearing this fate, Cronus devoured his children, attempting to prevent the prophecy from coming true. Yet, one child, Zeus, escaped this cruel fate, hidden away and raised in secrecy. As Zeus grew, he challenged his father, engaging in a great cosmic battle that led to the overthrow of the Titans. Zeus and his siblings, known as the Olympian gods, ascended to become the rulers of the cosmos, bringing order and stability to the world.